I always love asking you this question because you show me something every time we talk about this. Give me something that has nothing to do with AI, something rule related in Outlook that I didn't know it could do that. Come on, you've got a good one, I'm sure. Give me an example.
Well, I mean, I think any of us, especially in small business, we are getting subscriptions. We're subscribed to a ton of newsletters. We're
Mhm.
subscribed to, a ton of marketing emails and things like that. That is not mission critical for my inbox. That is of interest. That is something that I need to pay attention to maybe once a day, perhaps more like once a week. So whenever I get those new emails that are coming in, I actually put a rule on them that they go directly to my read and review folder. That's what I call a processing folder in Outlook. It's not meant to hold all the stuff. It's just meant to, every time something new comes in, it goes into read and review. If it qualifies, honestly, one of the ways you can make that rule is if it has the word unsubscribe in the
Ooh.
body of the message, just move it into the read and review folder. And you can always, go, but then you go into that folder once a week, but it diverts all that gunk from your inbox. I need to see my colleagues' emails. I need to see my boss's emails. I need to see my customers' emails. That is who needs to be in my inbox. And if you get really good, you can categorize those. But I will caution you, don't overrule
Mhm.
things because they're going to go away from your inbox and you might not be in the habit yet to go check those folders. And then people come back to me and they're like, yeah, I lost track of stuff.
Uh-huh.
No, no. So
So all that gunk is taken out, but the Fridays off newsletter is not going into the gunk folder. Is that right?
that goes into my marketing folder. But I actually review that folder every day. I review the marketing folder every day.
Fair enough. Fair
The
enough.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if we want to stay dialed in, and if we really do want our Fridays off, we want to make sure that our customers are taken care of first.
All right.